I was just sent this huge rifle or pistol cleaning mat. This thing is 40 by 16. It is massive. You have all these trays in here to organize things, put things in, keep it separate. Right here are magnets. So this is kind of cool. You could just put things there, make sure that they stay there. Boom, snap right on there. Got 2 hooks here, so if you can hang this up. It is an anti-slip rubber. It's great to put on your workbench, and really, you have all these different areas to put things in. You have measurements, you have centimeters here, and then we have inches on this side. You have 6 magnets on each side for 12 total, and they're strung. This is easy to grab, move around, roll up, take it to your next workstation, move around. And I love how everything has a home here. So obviously the bigger areas is where the larger components will go, and the skinnier ones or smaller ones is where the smaller components go. You got the magnets. It's easy to clean. You just wipe it down. And when you're not using it, you use these holes here, hang it up somewhere. But this is really nice. I wanted to show you a shot here of the whole thing laid out. See, we got the magnets, we got the measurements, we got multiple areas to put components in. Really cool, high quality mat here. Love the green. So if you're someone that cleans guns or works on your own guns, or maybe works in a shop, this right here will be a great gun mat for you.